I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure you have both your Xbox Live credentials and an Epic Games account with two-factor authentication enabled. This prevents authorization issues. Once done, sign into Epic Games. Com on a desktop or mobile browser using your Epic account. Next, navigate to Account, then Connections, and open the Accounts tab to start the link process. This step starts the secure handshake between services and prepares you to authorize Xbox access without signing out of either service. Now you click Connect next to the Xbox entry, and a Microsoft sign-in window appears. This is where you authenticate the exact Xbox/Microsoft account tied to your console. Sign in and accept the permission prompts so Epic can read basic profile and link progress. This is required for cross-progression and purchases to sync. Make sure to review any merge or platform settings Epic shows, because those choices affect inventory and save data. Finalize the authorization once you understand the consequences. Finish by checking that the Xbox icon now shows connected in your Epic Accounts page, and then relaunch Fortnite or the Xbox app so cloud saves and purchases sync. If you don't see progress or items, make sure you sign out of both clients and restart them, because stale sessions block updates. As a key troubleshooting tip, unlink and relink the accounts from Epic and Microsoft, clear your browser cache, or try another browser or device. That resolves most authorization and sync issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.